Brian, I'm a first-time home buyer looking for a house around that $300,000 price range in the northeast metro. What can I expect to find, and where could I find it?
Here's always my advice, I think, to first-time home buyers in that price range. The best thing that you can find is grandma and grandpa's house that has a good furnace, good AC, good roof, good mechanicals, good windows, but is just ugly. I want wood paneling. I want the 1980s fixtures. That's where you're going to get something where you can update it and add value to it, but you know it's in good shape.
Yep.
The home I want them to 100% stay away from is the exact opposite of that. Is the one that has all the new flooring, all the new paint, but doesn't have the new roof, doesn't have new windows, doesn't have newer mechanicals. Those ones that get a ton
big
of
expense.
Yeah.
The big expense items are not taken care of.
If I'm 300 and under, that's probably where I'm looking. I like the Fridley kind of area for those homes, right? Blaine on the northern side will have some. Forest Lake will have some too as well. But that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something that doesn't look good in photos, but has good bones to it. I would either do that, or I would consider doing a townhome. I would consider kind of pushing that price range down a little bit, finding that around the 250s or so, and having something where I don't have updates I have to do and holding on to that property. Those are the two routes I would say. If you're 300 and under as a first-time home buyer, I would go down and lean as much as you can the one that has a little bit of sweat equity.